friends, welcome back to our 30-day power push-up challenge. How are those muscles feeling? I am so excited about today's workout since we're going to be targeting one of my favorite body parts, and that is our backs. And we do it to not only get that hourglass figure, but to also strengthen and protect our precious spines. Today we are doing 2 push-ups. This variation targets the lats, rhomboids, and the lower traps muscles. And today's powerful word is going to be unstoppable. Can you say it with me? I am confident in my ability to overcome any obstacles and achieve success. Let's say it one more time. I am unstoppable. I am confident in my ability to overcome any obstacles and achieve success. Here are some things we must remember to do before we begin. Have water or something to drink before we start. I'll be wearing gloves to protect my wrist. I feel supported. There's times when I do feel discomfort, and immediately I remember to grab my gloves, and I like to make it a little tighter by placing a rubber band right over it. I'll be linking it down below if you want to get your own. Some people like it with the fingers, with some type of support for the fingers. Some people just like it for the wrist, so I have both, whichever you like. Okay. And if you haven't gotten warmed up yet, please do that. I'm leaving some videos here. You can do your own, some lunges, a little bit of dynamic exercise, a little bit of running in place, moving those arms, stretching those arms, and I'll see you in a few. Let's begin by getting the right hand and shoulder placement. We're gonna make sure that we keep those hands right under your shoulders. You're gonna squeeze the back muscles. Let me show you from the side what that looks like. Again, we're going to squeeze our back, and then we're going to rotate, lifting one arm up towards the ceiling, forming a T. And we're gonna do the other side just like that. You can use your knees for support. And again, we can extend one leg to do a little bit more challenging. And we do the other side, extending the opposite leg. Alrighty, let's get it now. Remember your placement, engage the core. Keep the alignment of your neck and spine. Let's do it. Yes, our first round is over. Awesome. Drink some water, stretch a little, whatever you need to do, go ahead and do it so you can feel better, or you can feel 100% on our next one. What I like to do between my sets is release tension. I always mention there's nothing better than doing things without any tension in your muscles, because that can create a long-term problem. So we want to make sure that we don't do any workout with tension anywhere, specifically in those areas that we are using the most, our wrists right now. So make sure that you release tension there. Just a few little movements. Be gentle. Make sure that you test your limits and do things with love. Okay. All right, let's go for the second round. Get ready. Get set. Let's go, my princesses and queens. You got this. love the feeling of my back muscles being worked out. I don't know why, but it makes me feel the strongest. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Get those days in. Take care. It was a joy. Bye.